Hello everybody, this is Chris at the GR Auto Gallery. Today we have this 1974 Bronco. This Bronco received a full restoration that started in 2017, was completed shortly after. The car is finished in hot ginger metallic with a white top. This truck does have a white interior. As part of the restoration, a 302 was completely rebuilt. It has a 3 on the tree manual transmission. The Bronco is finished extremely well in the engine bay and comes with power brakes. For any questions, give us a call, 248-912-6600, and ask for Chris.